Why would we not get proactive, predictive, and pre-screen these people and make sure that we stop chronic disease in its tracks?
Yeah.
And the same thing with blood work. Like I've heard you talk about the importance of blood work. We're using large language models now to assess the blood work, to tie into your wearables, to monitor your REM sleep, your deep sleep, your heart rate variability. If you capture a DEXA and a VO2 max and you begin to combine all those things into these large language models and the AI, it can assess and begin to predict out and model out all-cause mortality.
Yeah. It's so fascinating that artificial intelligence can take 700 trillion independent variables and create an actionable result. I actually saw a model the other day of a clinical trial being run in vitro through nothing other than artificial intelligence. And what it was able to do was assemble so much information from tens of thousands of other clinical trials, from meta-analyses and from a microbiological data, and say, if you expose this cell to this compound in this media, this is going to be the result. And it predicted it with absolute precision, accuracy. And so there's the possibility that we could actually run fully randomized clinical trials in AI
Instantly.
in an artificial intelligence lab without spending the 10 years to grow, because it can take so many independent variables and say, I can weigh every single one of these potential outcomes and tell you exactly where this result. And then you run a side-by-side experiment and you realize, oh my God, it reached the exact same outcome as the AI predicted. It just took us 3 years to get here. So it's a really exciting time.